nagsama si Ryan at Ivan para sa isang malagang anunsyo.
Pinagbigay alam sa akin ng doktor na hindi maaaring magsayaw si James.
Why is that?
Hindi ka pwedeng mapagod.
Nitong mga nagdaang araw ay hindi naging maganda ang pakiramdam ni James at ayon na rin sa mga doktor na tumingin sa kanya, kailangan muna niyong umiwas sa mga activities na nakakapagod.
Ivan and Ryan. Opo. You will be joining the dance rehearsals this afternoon. But this will serve as your audition. At isa ang mapipili sa inyo.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The day I will choose pa rin who will be the final person. So basically, do your best and enjoy.
Looking forward to it. Good.
I think I would go for Ivan. The reason why is he tried more to project. I think you know the steps better, but you're sometimes offbeat. But Ivan pulls it more off na you don't see it that, even though sometimes he doesn't know the step, but he's catching up and you don't see it on the face.
Yeah.
You personally, and then suddenly you do. But good job. So if ever Ivan you're in, good job.
Of course, sad, because but it's okay. I did my best. And Ivan is really good in dancing.
It's alright. It's always different. You can pick up dance better, but he performs better. He speaks better Tagalog. You a little bit.
I'm more good looking than him.
Yeah.
I got it. I got the part. Yun po. Masaya po kasi alam ko I'm doing my part to help with the weekly task. Ano po, parang I have a larger part in the weekly task po.
Pero ang di alam ni Ivan at Ryan, ang kanilang pinapalitang si James ay magiging dahilan pala ng matinding pagsabog ng emosyon sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
One other housemate has to leave my house. There is only a slim chance that your housemate will